So then, you've been trying to finish your homework assignment, but your sleep-deprived mind decides to knock a glass of water over your MacBook Pro. No need to fret, LawTech Pro is here. Immediately disconnect the charger and other cables and hold the power button down until your MacBook Pro turns off. Then, turn the MacBook Pro upside down, forming a 10 position if you're certain no water went inside the display, and remove any protective cases. If water splashed onto the display, lean it against a vertical surface. Turn on a ceiling fan or air conditioner set to room temperature. Now this is very important. Search for tutorials on how to unplug the battery on your MacBook Pro. To do this, first remove the backplate and then move the trackpad cable out of the way. And without wasting any time, disconnect both the battery management cable and the battery connector itself. Gently dab any water droplets you see on the internals with a cloth. On mine, there were a few drops on the fan exhaust and the backplate. As a precaution, you can cover the battery contact point with electrical tape. Leave the laptop to air dry for 24 to 48 hours and then inspect the motherboard for any signs of damage. If you don't have the tools or aren't comfortable disassembling your MacBook Pro, take it to a reputed third-party repair center and have them inspect the board for you. On my M1 Max MacBook Pro, everything looks to be in pristine condition because I followed these steps, except for a slight smear underneath the trackpad, which was most likely a mineral stain and went away after wiping it with an isopropyl alcohol solution. So remember guys, water doesn't harm electronics, corrosion does, which is why you need to stop the flow of electricity by unplugging wires, switching off your MacBook Pro, and disconnecting your battery.